creepy crawlies, bugs, beasties, whatever you call them, insects play a vital role in habitats and ecosystems. So that's why I've come to the woods today with my son Bodhi to collect some bits and bobs to make a grand bug hotel. They're always busy helping humans, wildlife and the environment in a number of different ways. Some pollinate our plants, allowing flowers, vegetables and crops to grow. Others break down dead plants to produce healthy, fertile soil. And some unfortunate bugs provide other animals with food. These creepy crawlies are essential for a healthy ecosystem. This is a great thing to do with family, get the kids out, get them involved. But we need to pick up a few things, some of which might be in your sheds, garages, gardens, like bricks, bits of wood, anything you find really. While these work great, we need to add a touch of nature, and that's why we've come to the woods. Pine cones, sticks, bark, rocks, all of these will be great to build our grand bug hotel.
A bag.
In the bag. Now we've got everything we need, we're going to head back home and we're going to make these bugs a hotel of their own. So we're back home and now it's time to build the hotel with everything that we got from the woods. First thing that we need to do is to find somewhere to put our bug hotel. You want somewhere that is as level and as firm as you can find. It can be in the sun, it can be in the shade. Different insects are obviously going to enjoy different conditions, so don't worry if you're limited and don't have a shady area or a sunny area. We've chosen this pot here. Let's start building. So we're going to start by making a structure for the bug hotel. From the things that I've gathered from my garden, I'm going to do the main sides of it with bricks. So we're going to start with that. We're going to aim for 3 layers. So we're aiming for 3 levels. Ta-da! And we're going to pop just some scrap wood that I've had lying around to create the floor of each level. Right, more bricks.
Mama.
You've got more wood, have you there?
Yeah.
Well done.
Maybe.
Yeah, and bricks.
Maybe.
Could I have another bit of wood? Oh, thank you. That was a big bit. Whoa! Should we do another one? Does that look good? Lovely. Okay, final level of bricks. Oh, look, you've already putting sticks in. Well done. Be careful of those. There we go. And then I've managed to find some slate in the garden, which will make a really nice roof.
Mama.
It'll just have that little overhang just to keep it that little bit drier. We'll see. Oh, although Bo has other ideas and thinks we should have more wood in. Oh, what do you think? You can obviously add additional pieces of wood as you feel. Looks good. Are you ready to fill it? Right. We're going to have a look in the bag from the woods. We're going to start putting things into our bug hotel.
Oh, wow.
Wow! Now I'm thinking that's a great leaf. Should we put sticks on the bottom? Because they're going to love that, aren't they? The insects will go in the sticks. The sticks will rot down a little bit. Might be a little bit damp. Create some nice little habitats in there.
Oh.
So, that's a bit big, that one, isn't it? Do you want to try? Put it in there. Right, let's get maybe some smaller sticks then, eh? Right, here we go. Let's put these. There's a good stick. Should we put them underneath here? Let's put sticks on this bottom layer here. Yeah, let's get some more sticks from the bag. There's loads of sticks. There you are. Apparently my idea of design is not Bodhi's, so sticks will not just be on the bottom layer.
Yay.
It's So obviously you can put the bits that you collected, they can go on any of the levels, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you fill it up as much as you can. You want lots of sort of nooks and crannies, you want little cosy areas for the insects to get into. I'm not expecting us to get many things like solitary bees in this one because we haven't got those small little tubes that they like, but you're going to get lots of other things in there. So for this one in particular, you know, we're going to get spiders. What else? What might we get? You might get little ants. Ants. All of the things that you normally get, but we should be inviting in some lovely little things, eh? So we managed to find some yogurt pots and a little flower pot, didn't we? That we're going to put in our bug hotel. And I think maybe we could fill that one with some of the pine cones. Does that sound like a good idea? Yeah. You can't eat them if they've gone in the skanky yogurt pot, can you? That's not going to stop him eating them. That's lovely. Obviously don't put crisps into your bug hotel. Oh, you busy? Busy. As you can see, we've finished our grand bug hotel. We had a few little leftovers, so we've decorated around the edge, and we've also put a little pool in for them. We've put some stones in it to make sure that any insects that come to drink from the pool are able to get out. We'd love to see your bug hotels, so please make sure you share them on social media using the hashtag Boulby Beasties.
Wow.
Make sure you name it. This one we will call Bodhi's Beastie Manor.